Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to Open Ford Escape Bonnet updated. First, sit in the driver's seat and pull the interior hood release lever located under the dash on the left. Next, move to the front and use one hand to feel under the hood center for the secondary latch while lifting slightly. Release the latch, then raise the bonnet and either prop it or let the gas struts hold it up safely. Start by confirming the hood release lever shows a hood icon and pulls smoothly without obstruction. If the cable feels loose or returns without tension, inspect beneath the dash for tangled material or a pinched cable. For a stuck release, have a helper gently press the hood while you pull the lever to reduce strain. After opening, visually inspect the latch area for rust or debris and lubricate if needed to ensure smooth future operation. When you reach the front, use one hand to lift slightly and your other hand to probe for the secondary latch, usually centered under the hood. Push the catch sideways or upward depending on the model and lift the bonnet fully. If the latch resists, a light spray of penetrating oil and gentle work will free it. Always confirm the prop rod or struts are secure before putting any weight or tools under the bonnet to stay safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.